Guys, what's up, man? This is Lloyd Paul Sr. I'm at Creative Auto Images, Custom Truck and Car Accessories, Sound and Performance. We ain't messing around. When we're gonna hook things up, we're gonna hook things up. And that's not me, it's just my buddy taking care of business. Oh, Charlie! So he said, go to the car. Now the beeper's going off. He turned it off. No, stop! Freaking guy. What a good way to rattle a man's nerves, I tell you. Try to get in the car, my buddy's car, to have a seat in this nice hot rod. And next thing you know, beep, 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 ball, because I reached in and clicked the thing right here, and I set it off. This is how they do it, guys? See that? Adds a little drama for you and your mama to get a chuckle. You guys all have a good day. I'm gonna do a shout out right friggin' now while I'm here. This is an awesome place, Creative Auto Images. There's my buddy that he remembered me before I remembered him. He looked familiar. Wasn't quite sure. Didn't want to call him Mike or Steve or John or anything like that. But his name is Kyle Caudle. And the other guy, his name is Nathan Caudle. And they're going to take care of business for my friend. Yes. Well, guys, take care. And don't forget Creative Auto Images. All right, let me see. Creative Auto Images. They remote car starters, car stereos, lights, wheels, tires. And check in with Kyle. It's his owner, and I think it's his brother. Kyle, I got the other card right here. Got the business cards. I'm not really good with names, but Nathan Caudle. And he's awesome with sales because he helped me show me what speakers and all that stuff to help my buddy out. You guys all take care. Much love. This is Lloyd Paul Sr. Yes!